Hi, James here from Car Mod Shop. I'm going to show you how to fit some wiper blades to your Volvo XC60 in 3 easy steps. First thing you've got to do is put it in wiper service mode. Foot on the brake, turn it on once, and then once that is loaded, swipe to the right, swipe up, put it in wiper service mode, and they come up so you can actually get to them. Right, step 1, remove your new wiper blades from the box, like that, and you'll see one shorter than the other, so make sure you get on the right one. And then you push this button in here, pop that up. I like to put that down to be on the safe side, and you can throw these in the bin.
Okay.
Along with the protective film that is on the new ones. Step 2, we're going to install the new wiper. So pull that up, and it just go in just like that. You get the right angle, you just push down, and you'll see it clicks in like that. That one's done. And that one off. New one on. Just push it down enough so it does click. Like that. And you can see there the little squares in the hole. And that is done.
Okay.
That's the 3 steps, and then I can check it works. And to take it out of service mode, literally just squirt that, and it goes off, and you can see they're working. There we go. And it's always a good idea to get the rear wiper done at the same time. You can buy them online on our shop, which is Car Mod Shop. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell your friends and family, and I hope to see you again soon.